Hello guys, welcome back to our Academy. This is your faculty Sudarshan for your Math and Stats Tips and Tricks series. This is our video number 16 in the mixtures. In this video, we are going to see about the topics, mixtures and alligations. That is a separate concept. When two mixtures are given to you and they are able to identify the one ratio, you will come to your mind, that is mixtures and alligation. This is your book question from a CA study material. Example number 3 in ratios. They have given the question. First, we will try to understand the question. Okay. And then I will explain you the concept and then I will give you the trick also. Okay. A dealer mixes a tea costing 6.92 per kg. 6.92 per kg they are going to do, and the costing is this one. And with the tea costing of rupees 7 per kg and sells the mixtures at rupees 8.8 per kg, earns a profit of 17.5%, that is 17.5% on his sales price. In what proportion that he mixed in? They are asking about the proportion. Okay, this entire detail does not be needed. Okay, that is a simple rule in mixtures and alligations rule. That mixtures and alligations rule, first I need to do what is the cheaper item. Next, I will write the data item, which is a higher value, and then my required part. Okay, and that will give me the quantity of cheaper, and then it will give me a quantity of dear. What we are going to do, kindly listen. To identify this required part, we will take 8.8 per kg because it is in the sales price. Okay, it is a sales price. These two things, it is in the cost price. So we want to make our required item towards cost. What we are going to do, 8.8 minus 17.5% in your calculator. Do it. 8.8 minus 17.5%. What you will get? You will get exactly 7.26. Correct? Put it in center, 7.26. What is a cheaper item in your costing? That is 6.92. What is the dearer item in the costing, tea costing? 7.7. Okay, 7.77. Okay, these are two things. Once it has been done, what you need to do, subtract the value from the higher number. 7.26 minus 6.92. 7.26 minus 6.92 will give you 0.34. Then what is the highest value here? 7.77 minus 7.26. What value will get? 0.51. 0.51, 0.34. 0.51 is to 0.34. I can write it as 51 is to 34, or this 51 is to 34. It is in the ratio of, in this comes under the 17 table. So I will write it is 3 is to 2. The simplest form of this 51 is to 34 is what? 3 is to 2. Okay, this is a simple understanding about the mixtures and alligations. Thank you. See you in another video. Have a nice day.